Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. Today we're going to be doing another pack opening here with Ethan.
Yeah. Right,
I'm hoping to pull some more breaks.
We got 2 in the last.
Yeah, if you watch the last video, we got 2 breaks. We got some awesome pulls. We got all of them on there. If you can see, whatever you can. But yeah, we got all of them. So make sure to watch that video. Hit a like on this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. It would really help if you could subscribe. Well, let's get into the first pack.
Come on then.
Ooh. Tap. Oh.
As you might know, we will be going crazy if we get a break. So, wouldn't we, Callum? What? Oh my god.
In the last pack, we got 2 fake.
Oi!
We got 2 fake Pikachu EXs. Oh, you've got to show the public.
Lugia. Right.
Lugia.
I got
Another Lugia.
Payroll.
I get Shelloff.
Yeah, Vetia.
Yamnega.
Trainer that you don't look
I
at.
don't know what that is.
Maroni. This spray fish
Larvesta. Ninja Boy.
Shellos.
And then Pikachu.
Yeah, mega. Oi! I didn't see him. Galvule.
And Nido King. He's actually really rare at some point, isn't he? No, energy
Gotta put all the
reset.
X's together, open.
Yeah. Then we'll add them to our collection.
Right. Wait for Callum now for the next pack.
Oh, this one feels hard.
Does it?
Oh my god, it's so hard to open as well. I think I've got some good pulls in this one. I see something shine.
Guarantee.
You have to show the public.
Yeah, well, when I open them on.
So I've got...
Oi! Oi, Callum, look! 170 damage.
No! Rayquaza EX.
I got
Clown.
Bergamot.
Cornizard.
Jumpler.
Volcarona. Pyro. Givalton.
Shilmog.
Greedy Dice. No, Lugia EX. Oh, yes, I got another legendary. A Mantine, then a Zygarde. Let's put that in.
Clink clang. Ah, there we go.
Next pack.
Hey.
I love all your packs in, shall I?
Next pack, off we go. Ah.
Why am all mine hard to open?
Right.
Let's get into the break.
Oi, ho. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, we've got in this one.
Oh, Ho-Ho EX. I got Azumarill. No! Azumarill. Speed up.
Oh my
Drifloon.
god, I gotta show them.
Special Charge. Registeel EX. Bishop. Corbalion. Launcher. And Cinccino.
You can show them that.
Yo.
This is a really special one. We will show you in a minute.
Shall we show you them at the end?
Yeah, shall we show them at the end? All the X's.
Nah, we'll just keep a few back
Yeah.
for the end. Next pack. Oh my god. Ooh. I see something shiny. Yes. No. I just saw Ho.
Ho.
Wow. Hydrogen, Talonflame, Avalog,
Oh, wow.
Pikachu.
What? Oh, yeah. I
Marie.
got Lucario.
Well done. Captivating Pokemon.
Oh, yeah.
Ho-Ho EX, Toxpoke, and Barbaracle. Yeah.
Now moving on to the next pack, we have 3 more packs to open.
And we'll finish this whole entire booster box. Oh no, this one's hard. I'm gonna have to use my teeth. This one. Wow!
What?
I've just opened the pack and look what I can see. at EX already.
Flareon EX again.
Yo, thank God.
As you can see, I just got this one.
Yo, keep some EXs back. Got Diancie EX, Nidoran, Primeape. Wait,
Yeah, I got the Primate too.
Primeape,
Don't need to show
Skip
me.
Plume, Shifty, Spirit Bomb, Samurai, Energy Retriever.
Yo! We both got the same instead of the last one.
I got Greninja. Greninja. I love Greninja. I'm putting him in my good pile. I have to. Yo, let's just like move these packs.
2 more packs to go, guys. There you go, Colin.
Oh, thank you.
As you can see, this is the box that we got all the packs in. How many are there, Callum, in there?
34.
34 packs in there. Very cool. We will show you all of our EXs we got. Some of them you might have missed out.
Yeah, we'll show you them at the end as well. Oh no, mine's really tough.
Lugia, a great start.
Bruh.
Bro.
That's all
Well,
I
that
see.
pack was rubbish.
No, Alexander Spirit Link, that's bear.
What?
That's boss. Got Pikachu EX.
What Pikachu EX?
No.
God, you come on getting rocky. Getting on my nerves.
Yeah, we got Pikachu. Nidoking. Wait, was that a last pack?
No, I've got one more.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna. If we get any EX in the next pack, I'm gonna save it. Nidoking, Ampharos, Sneasel, Infernape, Weavile, Joltik, Gardevoir, Spirit Link, Energy. Oh my God. Last pack. come
Last pack,
on.
guys.
We need a break. To
We
wrap
need
up.
to get a break throughout this pack. And
Bruh.
Callum can't open it. And he's
No.
getting really angry.
Bruh. What?
Oh, wow.
Bruh. Bruh.
Oh, my God.
Bruh.
Oh, don't go to the end right yet.
Bruh.
Oh, wow.
Wait, did you see? I don't know, but I'm hiding that. Yo, did you get any? Hide that. Mantine Shellos.
Rubbish again.
Yamnega. Galvonata. Something like Druddigan. Larvesta. Ninja Boy. Then hide.
Here we go.
You
These
ready?
are the X's we didn't show you.
First, we got Mega Absol EX. That's our collection. Got Lugia EX. A Ho-Ho EX. Then, one I just pulled. Mega Tyranitar EX.
Wait, what the? 240!
Yeah, but look, it does 110 damage. This type does 60 more damage for each damage counter on your opponent's active Pokemon.
Oh!
That could do like, that could have like, that could do, that could beat any Pokemon. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't smash your like down below, and then don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Keep on dabbing.